Hi, today I'm going to talk about the cycle, or I called it in my essay, the wheel. To be honest, I have a confession. I have nothing to say, and I came with an empty mind this morning. And I just laid out all of my ideas just sitting in that chair right over there. And I'm gonna keep doing that like for every project. And this is called a cycle for me, and it's a really bad habit that I'm probably gonna stop about for like until I graduate college or like 20 years from now. But the cycle I'm talking about is sometimes can be something that is really crucial for life. For example, sea ice melts and then freezes again over and over again. It's like it's like a lung breathing in life into the Arctic. And sometimes it can be a fairly bad thing. For example, I go to my 7th grade assembly, for example, maybe for like once a month, and it's always a boring thing for me, and I barely even even conscious in the whole assembly, and I can't even listen to a thing. And although maybe some of those things in the assembly can be important, but I never listen because sorry, I never listen because I know that those things are always the same. They will always remind the students that their behavior is not good enough, or like there's students running in the hallways and the behavior is really bad, and it's a cycle over and over again. And another cycle is students go to school and 20 years from now, they will simply forget every single thing they have learned. For example, if I want to ask my mom about some math problems, or even my aunt, they will probably won't be able to help me, because simply that every single thing they learned they forgot. They simply forgot because they don't usually use it. For example, so for some people, if you have to ask 100 people if they remember the function of the mitochondria in the cell, will they be able to tell? Because they simply forget it. Like they don't actually use that knowledge in their daily life. So it's kind of like a cycle. Like knowledge come into your mind and just flew away, just vanished into thin air, just like that, over and over and over again. And I'll take my life as an example too. Every morning I will try to wake up at 6:30, and hopefully it's not 7 yet. And I go change my clothes and tie up my hair, and hopefully breakfast is ready. And I try to get ready, and I would usually try to pack all my stuff in the morning, and I know it's a really bad habit, but I would usually do that and run to school. And often I would be late, and it happens over and over again. It's like a cycle. It's like a never-ending cycle. So, in conclusion, the cycle, the never-ending cycles will never end until you break the wheel. Thank you.